The city of Surat, famed for its textile industry, is a big support base for Narendra Modi. It's the second biggest city in Gujarat, the state that Mr. Modi led for 13 years before becoming India's Prime Minister, and voted overwhelmingly for his party in the last election. But now Surat is being swept by protests among textile traders and manufacturers, who are furious with the obligations being placed on their industry by the government's historic new Goods and Services Tax, or GST.
GST के अंदर इतना प्रपोजल है कि व्यापारी उसको निभा ही नहीं सकता, इतना कार्रवाई है उसको व्यापारी कंप्लेंट कर ही नहीं सकता, या अनपढ़ लोग हैं, एजुकेशन नहीं है, कोई भी चीज़ की फैसिलिटी व्यापारी के पास में नहीं है.
These small business owners say the new regime will squeeze their margins by pushing up their tax payments, as well as forcing them to spend time and money filing details of their business dealings to the GST online platform, rather than simply filing tax returns once a year.
There are too many small people whose turnover is less than 50 lakh rupees, and it is not possible for everybody to file the returns 3 times a month.
A further cause of anger among these small traders is the fact that GST will be levied every time a batch of textiles passes from one small business to another for the next stage of the complex treatment process. This will put their fragmented supply chain at a disadvantage against big integrated companies who might buy yarn and then process it all the way into a finished garment, paying GST only at the end of that process.
If the GST is implemented on the textile market, the small vendors, the small markets and the small vyaparis will get out of it. They are 60 to 70% small business holders in the textile market, which will be finished.
Some larger businesses in the textile industry, which have so far been dealing with a plethora of state and national level taxes, are welcoming the shift to what they see as a simpler system.
Long-term, great advantage of regularizing things, and the channel would be all known, so it will be a great economy boost on textiles.
But the smaller traders protesting in Surat are not impressed by such arguments.
ऑल इंडिया कपड़ा व्यापार साथ में ऑल इंडिया सब मंडियां बंद हो गई है, सब आज बेरोजगारी इतनी बढ़ गई है, यहाँ पे लेबर है वगैरह है, जो भी है
सूरत से ही सप्लाई है तो ऑटोमेटिक सब मंडियां बंदी हो जाएंगी.
अच्छा सप्लायर सबसे ज्यादा सूरत ही है, मेन मंडी सूरत है,
सप्लाई
से कपड़ा नहीं जाएगा, ऑटोमेटिक बाकी वाली मंडियां बंद हो गई.
Simon Mundy, Financial Times, Surat.